Did you know that the secret to revitalizing hair treatments could be hiding in your pantry? Here are some amazing things you can do from the comfort of your home. Try out a DIY banana and honey hair mask. Mash a ripe banana, mix in a tablespoon of honey, let it soak into your hair for 30 minutes and rinse for a glossy finish. And coconut oil. It's not just for cooking. Warm it up, work it into your hair and scalp, leave it on for an hour or even overnight, then shampoo it out for a deep moisture boost. Avocado too isn't only a delicious toast topping. Mash one up, mix with olive oil, and you've got a nutrient-rich hair mask. Let it sink in for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse for hydrated, shiny hair. What about green tea? Brew a strong cup, let it cool, and use it as a final rinse. It's packed with antioxidants and can promote a healthy scalp and hair growth. Eggs aren't just for breakfast either. Whisk one and apply it to damp hair. After 20 minutes, rinse with cool water for a protein-rich shine boost. Rose water isn't only a wonderful scent. Mix it with aloe vera gel for a soothing scalp treatment. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse to balance your scalp's pH and encourage hair growth. And beer? The yeast can add volume and shine. Pour a flat beer over shampooed hair, let it sit for a few minutes and rinse thoroughly. You'll love the extra bounce and brilliance. Follow me if you would like to see more tips like these. Cheers!